In fact, Real Madrid, Papa ne Dujuma ho. Manchester United, my own team, Honsono, Obo Djuma pa ho. Portugal national team, Egypt, Iran, Japan, Oman, Qatar. Ona Papa no akako Djuma ho. In fact, Obo Djuma pa as a coach. Awo ono nso ne career mu pa nya asem ketwa. Na no na confirmation ne ba say nyame ya adoma World Cup Ghana enso nye chefa ye kobobi ye group with Panama, England and Croatia no. Openi and obelidi na ye room our World Cup 2026 na fi yakobo bra enso awo ho. Na enra ebra confirmation no eba abontin no. Any Ghana for ni bi enso di nkomo eti omunso sen ana omuhu openino appointment no ababua Ghana ana emwa aye Ghana yentie a section of air Ghanaians omunso maso momoka adifan appointment no
we there it is abrewe now the abrewe there coach our boss 16 matches having for a draw for LC 8 as 19 goals conceding 19 goals into what it free man only go bia na we there onka o to adult na o crank
so I don't think this is the right time say you ba appoint coach bi say coach na nkasa o no no ayemru eno anam yes ya ehye ene ye ko work up no so you comparing all these things you know emfa one say wa coach this is not the time I nyasa coach BC because World Cup na koye ni ambre pa woni me be ya adwen se wa wo hwe ye players a ye kita se sie ya ye pe coach amana hwehwe team ama ye de akona makofa we aba emwaye anhwe ya sa World Cup we ya ye koye be disaster amaye.
I think say new coach na ye nya no is a good idea but the American say we are in a tournament now about any wins now it's just we can say 4 wins 4 draw 8 lose wow. We hope say he can use our players well so that meeting will be
coach Ayakofaye only to add difference be any coach about 16 games we winning 4 I conceding 19 goals we share 19 goals necessary square zero we coach you pe coach or the World Cup na kefa kwasi apia moment na we coach when you to add the difference bend home to add do crouch na or ya dey sin coach we get pa kofa coach man fa no ya ntrema FIFA say World Cup ni nyamba ni first can crisis stadium wa hasi
and the Sokobai and the Fatulus and the Fatulus and the Fatulus. The national man, God bless you. God bless you for this platform. We thank you for this opportunity given unto us also to express our opinions in regards to the appointment of our new coach. You know, from my perspective, I foresee it yielding a result because the black coach has been given so many chances to, utilize by the Codens. So I foresee it yielding results. We wish him all the best and it's a good step.
Senior, to go by a far blaster, new coach, and you see many baby yeah, you good. You know, ma yeah day fiti prekope enye day enjaje no. Abrawan share jumase. Yamane share jumase. Ni say bebo ene say mo.
Okay, enti Ghana for bi and amateur madwen ede afa the new Black Stars head coach Queiroz. Almost amateur madwen ede afa no. Kofi, is he a man?
Carlos Queiroz,
yeah.
He can be our man if we want him to be our man. In terms of the CV of Carlos Queiroz, a very rich vein, based on where he has come from. You see, there's an interesting thing about Carlos Queiroz and Kofi Bebe and Kanwasem, and it's the fact Carlos Queiroz a coach or an African lineage. Now you're one of Mozambique or Africa, and me assure saying any parents immigrants and of course maybe working at the mobile Africa and so he was born here in Africa and was also here Portuguese by nationality based on their parents. And if you look at the CV Kita now, are very well traveled. In fact, almost across every continent where coaching teams were from his own native Portugal to Africa, the South African national team, the Egyptian national team. He has gone on to coach the Portuguese national team. And in Asia, so you mentioned Iran, Oman and Iran as well, the Egyptian national team. These are all teams where a lot of experience. Plus, the stints as assistant coach. So they have diverse ways. And if you look at all of this, you get to see, Wasanswe Juma with some of the top talents, notably, Mohamed Salah and Cristiano Ronaldo. 2 players that undoubtedly both some of the best players we are there. So that is what makes Carlos Queiroz stand apart. But you see, Ghana was a peculiar problem. Your problem isn't about just the CV of Carlos Queiroz. Your problem isn't about whether Carlos Queiroz beats me or Jumanana. For me, there are two issues that I've always had with somebody like Carlos Queiroz. And then I say, Odo was to form now to a lot of Ghana fans. Has been established, say, you're very much impatient of the fan base. Say, Team Liba, there are two things that you can do for us. You should be able to either play nice football or give us results. Now, you can go back to the days of Ivan Grant and now on board the best football, but not a one-goal project. And Ghanaians will always see one-goal project. But we were okay for some time because the results were coming. Now, fast forward after Ivan Grant, you are having a lot of other different coaches. In fact, the likes of Yaya Nianum, CK Akonomo have come and gone. Otuado, Chris Houghton, all of these coaches have come in. The problem is that most of these guys say, not football, no NFA, quote and unquote. It's not the best of football. Plus, the results were also not coming. Ghanaians will give you the time to go on and do your job, and whichever time I will pay, if you're able to get the results in the shortest possible time. The thing is that for Carlos Queiroz, on board the best football, on board the nice football that we all talk about, it's not a Brazilian style, but in tournament football as well, getting Egypt to the final of the African Cup of Nations, though, it was because Egypt were compact, Egypt were solid, they were difficult to break down. That is why Egypt got to where they got to. It was because now a very resolute team. Or you see the wingers, some very pacey, the likes of Omar Mamouche, Abrantia friend Mohamed Salamo, to run into this channel. So he is not a coach that will play the flamboyant style of play or your Black Stars team, but he gives us a base, a structure. And for me, that is the strength. A idea about what your team or Black Stars have lacked over a long period of time. We've not had structure. We've not had a base in which we build our team from. We've not been very solid enough. We have always had a team. It looks a little bit disjointed over time. Now, so no, Bano, obetimi a quick structure, obetimi a proper game plan, even if it is going to be a little bit boring, a little bit too compact, a little bit on the defensive side. For me, that's not a problem. Granted, he can get results over time. Yeah, call AFCON qualification because baby, in all honesty, not qualifying for the AFCON, struggling even for other competitions, qualifications, was obviously problematic. See, a bit of Carlos Queiroz that will help us consistently qualify for the AFCON easily without having issues. And we don't drop deeper than where we are. That is a win. But again, the most important thing is if Carlos Queiroz can get us the win, because good football, he will give it to us. Don't expect, and me, I'll do the job for the people who have to do the job. Oh, a Ghana fan, and expect so better TV, then we play all these nice pass and move football. No, it is either a 4-4-2 for Carlos Queiroz or a 3-back or a 5-back at the very end. But and your 5-back easy so be breaking it down. And a 5-backer adding the players who understand the principles of play was our 5-back anymore. It's adding so be breaking them down, and they work hard. If he can get Cristiano Ronaldo as assistant coach, as senior coach of Mohamed Salah to work harder, I'm certain say he can get these players to also work hard. Ideally, in Kiebe coach or from the attacking point of view, because your team, the strength, power, attack. So probably to get the best out of them. But getting the best out of the attack doesn't mean say be more expansive every time. It means that you can find ways and moments on a good transition and turnovers or attack the pace to utilize it where winning matches. So for me, on paper it's good, but then what remains to be said is if he can get the results. The more he gets is the more Ghanaians get relaxed. And I think that is why the ministry, I think generally a ministry needed a charge for him. I said it several times, and I think that's why they went in for him, because more strong feelings say, like I told you earlier, John Mahama too, one of the things that he wants to do right is to not get the country to constantly go into a pointer conversation in the media, they be a negative. So if we can use football to get a positive atmosphere, sort of some form of a PR, now things have not even gone well economically. We have hard times or tough times at certain point. Ghana for anybody. And if it's to get a short-term coach that will give us that success at the World Cup, definitely I'm sure they'll go in for. So Queiroz fits that bill.
If for nothing at all, we emphasize that white man will be assertive, will not kowtow to Syrian influence from the FA. I wish him well. As an Inkwa, NC office Kumasi, and now this message at the Abrain. Okay, I do a Ninano. I said, there was no see. Aya, Carlos Queiroz aba. Is he a man?
Whether he is a man or not, results at the World Cup never change. But for me, my initial comments on the appointment, and they said, on the face of it, I am okay with it.
Because even is so fair.
You see, Mamin can't show the reason why me okay of him is not based on CV. And it's not even based on Nkofo reaction. Rich. Me mfa unko back bebree. I am meaning who stay in the context of the World Cup. In Pimpri, I mean, no, say, Coach Bay and the defending champions of the World Cup. Lionel Scaloni, Argentina. Proud to say, or the Argentina Babaji World Cup, no. And Argentina for Eddie Jumediani Mano say on coachy a country like Argentina. Na ne record at the World Cup day 0. 0. Obo finals with who? France. And France were the champions. And San Oba. When and the France Aje World Cup now or ball finals with Argentina no.
Didier
Deschamps. Answer na France Eddie Jumedi any ma Didier Deschamps. Now the record will World Cup here day 0. 0. Now say uko back there Rich the last 3 or 4 World Cups ayaba. One coach power ya dear pa will probably be Zdravko Dalic, Croatia for coach, you know. Because Anya Shekano obo finals in 2018 and oko semi-finals in Qatar 2022. Obo finals. Then the following tournament oko semi-finals. Proud to say did you made any man or Croatia no the World Cup experience 0. What I'm trying to say is say the over concentration on CV in recent football new results are abba. Say any young person a bit burden topic ni stay or World Cup. Overhyped. Until you say go focus na about World Cup matches say na what she say ni she say Tiano on your coach Papa Bia. Those are people's opinion, but the reality is that those things are overemphasized, like you're blown out of proportion. Rich, this World Cup here, the Carlos Queiroz contribute to say, and I'm talking about powerhouses. So, contribute say England. I don't want ever.
Thomas Tuchel.
Has he played the World Cup before? And see, say and go for what about World Cup? Say say yeah, the same thing for Thomas Tuchel. Like you get 0, like there's nothing, blank space. But England's on for World Cup. The most successful country at the World Cup is Brazil. Rich, they've appointed Carlo Ancelotti. The World Cup CV 0. One of the biggest host nation is the United States. They've appointed Mauricio Pochettino. The World Cup record there 0. And so who over concentrating on World Cup. Now we have plus and minuses to say, oh, your coach Papa, you are really missing the big points. Now, Rich, to me, my concentration on whether he's a good call or not. me share the recent state of your blasters now. Na me observe problems I mean who are your blasters nim. Na me say okay, me personality be he walks into the blasters dressing room and na dwumadi a wadi ne personality a wote ne experience a wo emma no akonya to solve some problems we are. Rich, I will give Queiroz a thumbs up. Say he can then solve a lot of the problems for me. Number one. Debiamaka say, Rich, all the coaches are on my idea or blasters in recent history. Ebi se Milomo, Rateme Dukovic Mono. Rich, do you know they were not the greatest of tacticians? But Unimadia no more idea or the subculture of the team. Someone who walks into the dressing room, who walks into the blasters camp, and obia una ne personality alone, how disciplinarian or yet alone, am obia comporting on. And so Okacho said, ye ko A, obia ko A. Okacho said, Bona ye bono. Tactically, this is how I want us to play. Obia say, yes, sir.
Kotoko ends middle of time.
So disciplined and so, like Bibia question the coach in the pair. No, you deviate at your own peril. That is the kind of man that we need. Obia, ne experience, ne juma wedi, ne personality walks into the blasters team and change the subculture of the team. Assuming without admitting. Say Rich, Nkofompo wo GDA say blasters coaching job no. It comes with a lot of interferences, suggestions, any BBA to you. Rich, on paper, who can look at the face of Queiroz and say, I want to influence you? Who? Until we need that kind of coach. Number two. So when the Jumedia what do be wakobia. In terms of the Bonifeno tactical suitability, the tactics are all does it suit the talent we have in Ghana? Now Fiifi mentioned it. Unim said Afcon Senegal you know. They played in the finals and won it through penalties against Queiroz Egypt. Rich, go and watch this Egyptian team, you know. And then for Ghana, Omar Mahmoud, Ababe stars of Babaka, Mohamed Salah, who Egypt. But that team, no, almost had only one man, one leg team, Mo Salah. But Rich, just go and watch the discipline, tactically levels of that Egyptian team. Only the reason why Iran, Eddie Queiroz, Aqua World Cup, Mako 3. There are some of the World Cups, especially the last World Cup in Qatar 2022. And you know the team to qualify you. The moment they qualify, they say, oh, go ahead and bring him back. Do you know why? Rich. Omunim say he comes into your team. Onim say you don't have a strong team. Only superstars. And you will have to depend on teamwork, discipline, to mount any kind of competition I'll be mounted at the world stage. And he is very, very good at doing that. Rich, you will not have problems with his player management. Because maintain that. Even the great Manchester players have said he's a great man when it comes to say on-term relationship any day. So if he can change the team culture as a disciplinarian, if the tactics is suitable for the kind of situation you see a womb, then the player management is good and he can adapt because any young the first African team will be coachy. We are coaching Egypt, we are coaching South Africa. Any young team sebi Rich. Say a co-war stage and near Minos and answer underdogs or the Eco World Cup or the runner 3 times. And yet, he comes into the dressing room with a personality. No, they are back. Now, me, you know, this information. Who said for young citizens, they are rich. every decision about me make it involves our money. One of a trigger is whether we are getting value for money. And see, this is the value for money initial audit amaye on Queiroz Queiroz, and it's just an information I want to put across. The contract now signed, reach a 4 months contract. That is to say only for the World Cup. Now you have to say we are paying him around $100,000 a month.
He knows up to 200.
Then negotiate about $100,000 a month. Now, Rich, you have to say also the bare 4 or 5 assistants as in the backroom staff. Then we can add the additions. Now, when you say Rich, the $100,000 that we are paying Queiroz Queiroz for the 4 months here, the enemy. There is a clause in his contracts. A trigger the duration of the contract, say Oyade will walk up now to a 2 years. And from the meeting, when he is able to get us within the semi-final brackets. And I genuinely say, Rich, who say walk up say, oh ba, the more na woko the more na unyeska. Say if he is able to take the Blasters into the quarters and the semis, we will be assured of somewhere within $15 to $20 million. So to me, the Edruwa. And in the minds of the ministry, and as I buy any F, say if Queiroz Queiroz within 4 months is able to bring us $15 to $20 million from the performance at the World Cup there, and you be the 2 years now, you better trigger. Now at least enkoye obi ambebusa say in the sika bebrebe a dey money you confer free into Rich. For me it is not about CV. It is about what he walks into the Blasters with, and whether your problems are your war as a team no obetimi asolve. Am I run for Rich World Cup no. Ubo one game. Obe 3-4 days to play the next. Then you play the next. Okwenima and within short spaces. You need someone with experience to maneuver those things and be able to do that.
You saw me come.
Yamanakwaba. Yamanakwaba. Ghana there. And we say we coaching Portugal.
Had a man press.
Yes, see a level of
over 100,000.
Yes, see a level of scrutiny there.
Pressure
along the journey.
Film energy drink with just some